So a new concept that has started to become very popular in 2024 is IPGA, or Info Product Growth Agencies. Those are agencies that pretty much help people create, launch, scale, and market their info products or their online courses. So the first step if you want to run an IPGA is to have an info product to grow with your agency. And what is common with those agencies is that these agencies take people that have a passion to teach or something to teach, right? And they help them, they assist them in the course creation process, in the process again of creating this info product. So this is exactly what we're discussing in this video right here. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly the steps that you need to take in order to create info products. Now, the thing with info products or courses is that they're extremely easy to create once you have dialed down and nailed the steps. This is a 4-step process that we're analyzing in this video right here. And who am I to teach you this process? Well, me myself, I've created more than 20 info products for my personal business and scaled my personal online course business to more than 50,000 course students. So again, that's 50, not 15. The coolest part is that I've managed to gain all of these enrollments and all of this revenue from, again, 50,000 students with $0 paid on ads. But that's a story for another video. Again, in this video, we're focusing on the 4-step process that you need to have nailed down if you want to help people create their info products. And this is the process of coming up with ideas, scripting the videos, shooting the videos, and editing the videos to have those info products ready. So the first step again is coming up with ideas, and this is the first thing that we're going to be focusing on in this video. Now, depending on the client that you're working with, they probably already have a niche dialed down and they already kind of know what type of info product they want to create, like the general niche of it. What you are called to do as an IPGA, which is going to assist you down the line when you're called to market the product, this info product that you're going to be creating, is to actually suggest them to create an info product in a niche that is very hot and in demand at the moment. So again, you need the idea of the course, of the info product that you're going to be creating to align not only with the vision of your customer, but also with what is very hot in the market at the moment. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail on how to perform topic research because I've done many different videos in this channel right here on how to perform topic research in your info product ideas. But in general, you want to be combining something, a topic that your clients are very good at and intrinsically motivated to teach, with something that is very hot in the market right now, like artificial intelligence, for example, ChatGPT, and all of that other stuff that are hot. The second step is to script the info product down. And again, info products or courses usually are of 10 lessons long. Those 10 lessons are 10 different videos, and each video ranges either from 10 to 30 minutes in length. So our goal here is to script 10 30-minute videos. You're very lucky because in this day and age, you can very easily script videos using artificial intelligence and ChatGPT. You pretty much need to input the general topic that you want to teach in the ChatGPT chat bar and then ask ChatGPT to suggest you 10 different lesson titles for this topic. Then you take each and every lesson title that ChatGPT has suggested to you and you ask for a 30-minute video script covering every single thing that people need to understand in every module of your course. Trust me, it might sound a bit confusing, but I have many videos again in this channel right here to help you achieve this, and it's very easy at the end of the day. So if you've done these steps correctly, you should have an idea that is relevant and your client who's creating the info product is comfortable teaching, and again, a script for 10 30-minute lessons. And look at this, we're halfway done through the creation of the info product or the course, right? The next 2 steps is shooting the course and editing the course. And we're going to start by shooting the course. So again, most, if not all info products, you can guess it from the name, they focus on information rather than entertainment. That this is something that we can highly leverage regarding the shooting process. This means that we don't need 8K cinema cameras and expensive gear to shoot an info product. All we need is a passionate teacher and some very basic recording mechanisms. Those could be, for example, a simple webcam and a screen recording software. What I like to do in my info products, and again, I've created more than 20 info products, is that I take the script that I've generated with ChatGPT and through a series of processes, I turned this script into a PowerPoint presentation. One of the most popular videos in my channel shows you exactly how to do this, how to take a script from ChatGPT and turn it into a PowerPoint presentation. After turning my script into a PowerPoint presentation and populating the slides with images, for example, and stuff, and you can hire someone on Fiverr to do that for you, you just gotta go through the slides as you're reading the script. So this provides an auditory as well as a visual experience for the people that will enroll into your info product. Also, by basing our info products, by basing our courses into big screen recordings rather than just someone talking directly to a camera, this gives us bigger room for error regarding composition, lighting, and camera quality. I want you to imagine that the camera box that the students that will enroll in our info products will see, it's just going to be a very small box in the top left of the screen. So it doesn't need to be perfect like a huge Netflix documentary, for example, that's going to be seen in huge monitors. After shooting the 10-30-minute lessons in this way, by screen recording again your PowerPoint presentations, you should have 10 different 30-minute lessons of content. If you want to actually add more value to your info product, I advise you to shoot 2 more videos in which your clients will directly talk to the camera. So it's going to be an introductory video and a conclusive video of this info product. In this introductory video, you're just going to be going through what you're going to be covering in this info product, and the conclusive video is just going to be a video in which you thank people for enrolling in the info product and perhaps you promote some of your other info products. That's what I've done again in the 20 different info products, the 20 different courses that I have created, and this is how I create this circulation of people through my courses. And this is how, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the final step, which is the video editing part. Now, you're very lucky because info products don't require that much of video editing just because they're based on information rather than entertainment. So we don't need to go as big on the video editing, for example, as we would on a YouTube video. So you got 2 options as an owner, right, of an info product growth agency. The first option is to go ahead and edit those videos by yourself, and this is going to be a bit time consuming, but again, you can easily edit a 2 or 3 hour course in a week. And the second option that you have is to outsource this to your personal video editors. And I'm not going to go into too much detail on where to find video editors. You can find them on Fiverr, you can find them on video editing communities, but in general, it's good to have an editor. In general, what this editor is going to do is that he's going to synchronize the video of the person, right, that is going through the information with the screen recording and adding some basic titles, some basic keyframes to just help on the education process. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, you have your first info product done. Again, this video focused on us creating 10 30-minute lessons, which comes down to 5 hours of content, which is a very respectable amount of time for a course. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to create more videos regarding on where to upload those info products and how to market your info products without spending a single dime on ads. Thank you very much, and I'm going to see you in the next video.